Okay, so to make this, we've got a 3D printed mount, and inside that we've put a humbucker pickup from a guitar. And we've also got a bracket that's going to sit on the side of the banjo that's going to have the controls and the jack. The control knobs are moonshine jugs because this is a banjo. So to fit this, we're going to remove the banjo's rear plate and we're going to remove the bolts that hold that on. This allows the pickup to sit under the banjo head, and it won't change the appearance of the banjo all that much, which I think is important because if it doesn't look like a banjo, is it still a banjo? But yeah, I'm really interested to see what this sounds like and wonder why the guitar is so popular where the banjo just hasn't had that popularity boom since the 60s. Once inside, we can clamp on the assembly to the central rod that sits inside the banjo body. The guitar pickup doesn't have the same number of pull pieces as the banjo's got strings, so to accommodate that we've set the pickup at an angle so that each string's going to sit above 1 or 2 pull pieces, and hopefully that gives us an even response across the strings. But yeah, imagine if Bob Dylan played the electric banjo or Slash played those solos on electric banjo. Would the world be a different place? Just imagine your favourite band, and now imagine in dungarees. Is this what this machine's capable of? It is dungarees the new hoodies. Well, let's put this back plate on. Don't mind too much about my shoelace strap, it does the job. I've owned this banjo for about 10 years and I haven't really recorded with it, but it is a really fun, interesting instrument to play, especially coming from a guitar. It has different chord shapes and picking progressions, so it's easy to learn and transition to. But enough of that, I think we need to get this plugged in and find out what it sounds like. Okay, so that was a lot more interesting than I thought it was going to be. That reverby banjo-y sound from the drum head actually comes through the pickups quite well with this arrangement. And I enjoyed being able to plug into my guitar effects and change that banjo sound to something quite different. And I think you could still tell it was a banjo. Oh, one more thing, that switch. The banjo kill switch.